Hey there, let's talk about backyard chickens and why they're such an awesome addition to your home. Not only are they super cool and cute and fun to watch, but they are really great for producing fresh eggs and meat. First, eggs. Nothing beats fresh eggs straight from your own backyard. They taste better, they're more nutritious, and you know exactly where they came from. Plus, raising your own chickens means that you can ensure they're being treated humanely and they're having a healthy diet. You don't have to worry about drugs or, other antibiotics or hormones in your eggs. And if you have extra, you can sell them or give them away to friends and the family. Next, meat. Meat birds are different, but while raising chickens for meat may not be for everybody, it really is a great way to ensure that you have a steady supply of high-quality organic meat. Like I said before with the eggs, you know exactly what the chickens are eating, and you know how they're being treated, which means you feel good about the meat you're consuming. Plus, raising your own meat chickens can save you money in the long run, and you won't have to keep buying chicken from the grocery store. Another benefit of raising those chickens is compost. Chicken manure is a great way of getting some clean nitrogen for your backyard, for your garden, and help improve the health of your soil. When you keep chickens in your backyard, the way that they scratch and poop and eat and do all those things, you're essentially creating your own fertilizer factory. It's a little hot, you need to store it, put it in your compost, but you'll have less waste to throw away since you can mix that with leftover food scraps and yard waste and get good compost with the help of your chickens. Next, education. Raising backyard chickens is a great way to teach kids about responsibility and where their food comes from. It's a fun and educational experience that teaches them about valuable life skills. They'll learn how to care for animals with responsibility. They'll learn about sustainable living and the rewards of hard work. Plus, it's a great way to get them outside and away from TV screens. Last, let's not forget about the entertainment value of having chickens in your yard. I call it chicken TV. They're incredibly fun to watch, and they can give you hours of entertainment. Each one of those chickens has their own personality and quirks, and you'll get attached to them. It really is hard not to smile when you see a group of chickens running around and doing their chicken things. So just remember, there are many benefits to raising backyard chickens for meat and eggs. From highly nutritious eggs to high-quality organic meat and compost and entertainment value. There are so many reasons to get chickens in a backyard flock. So, why not give it a try? Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you.